Assalamualaikum guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to add some new tools options in refresh button. So when you press your refresh button, you will see here a lot of new tools you can add custom, and using a software you can add them easily. Here is the software guys, Easy Context Menu version 1.6, and you can add them. Some are by default and some you can add by customly. Just click on the tools and then you need to click here on apply. It will be activated, and when you need to add in this software, then just simply click on the list editor, and then you need to select here the tool option and then click on add new. Just select any application that you want to add in context menu. Simply I'm gonna adding here my Adobe Pro. That's it. Now you can see here it's added. Click on save, then close it, and now you will see here Adobe Photoshop CC. Just select it and then apply changes. You will see here now Adobe Photoshop here. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, just drop your comment. Have a good day. Bye bye.